The P06DD diagnostic trouble code is a critical engine management issue that automotive technicians encounter frequently in modern vehicles. This code indicates that the engine control module has detected a problem with the engine oil pressure control circuit. Specifically, the stuck-off condition means the engine control module cannot properly control oil pressure because the oil pressure control solenoid, or variable displacement oil pump, is not responding to commands to increase oil pressure. Modern vehicles use variable displacement oil pumps to improve fuel efficiency. These sophisticated pumps adjust oil flow based on engine demands, reducing parasitic losses when full oil pressure is not needed. This code is increasingly common in modern vehicles, particularly General Motors models from 2010 to 2024. Let's examine the specific vehicle brands and engines most affected by this issue. Ford vehicles with EcoBoost engines are also commonly affected. The EcoBoost technology, while providing excellent performance and efficiency, uses complex oil pressure management systems. Chrysler and Stellantis vehicles with Pentastar V6 engines round out the most commonly affected vehicles. These engines feature advanced oil management systems that can develop P06DD codes. The key component often involved in P06DD codes is the oil pressure control solenoid. This precision-engineered component controls the variable displacement oil pump and can fail due to electrical issues or mechanical wear. The increasing complexity of modern engine oil systems makes diagnosing P06DD-related issues more challenging than traditional oil pressure problems. These systems integrate with engine management, fuel efficiency algorithms, and emissions control systems. Understanding the P06DD code requires knowledge of these interconnected systems and their relationships. This complexity is why proper diagnosis requires specialized equipment and systematic troubleshooting procedures. Addressing the P06DD code requires a systematic diagnostic approach. We'll walk through the essential steps to properly diagnose and fix this oil pressure control circuit issue. The first critical step is verifying oil level and condition. This basic check can reveal immediate issues before diving into complex diagnostics. P06DD codes stem from three main categories of problems: mechanical failures, electrical issues, and oil-related problems. Understanding these categories helps focus your diagnostic approach. Proper diagnosis requires specialized tools and procedures. A quality scan tool is essential for monitoring live data and performing actuator tests on the oil pressure control system. Electrical circuit testing is crucial for identifying wiring issues and solenoid problems. The pilot solenoid valve diagram shows the internal components that control oil flow in the system. Real-world case studies demonstrate successful repair strategies. GM 3.6L V6 engines commonly require solenoid valve replacement, while Ford EcoBoost engines often need variable oil pump actuator replacement combined with software updates. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding P06DD codes. Enhanced oil change intervals and using the correct oil specification can reduce occurrences by up to 70%, especially in fleet vehicles with high mileage. Following a systematic diagnostic approach with proper tools and procedures leads to the highest repair success rates. Remember to always verify oil condition first, use manufacturer-specific procedures, and consider ECM updates as part of the complete repair process.